Welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today we'll be using variables. Now what are variables? Variables are like this metaphor. Storage assigned to its own name. And there are four types of variables. And I will teach you how to use them. First is text. For example, text equals hello. Now you can see it gives me an error. Why? Because you need the two things around it. The second one is numbers. The number can equal a number like 1 to 3. Decimals are numbers but with decimals like 45 point. And lastly, Boolean, which can be true or it can be false. Now I will teach you how to use this. The first thing is that you can actually sum variables up, like a equals 1 and b equals 5. Now we print a plus b, and when we play, you can see it equals 6 because 1 plus 5 equals 6. So that works. Second of all, booleans can be used to stop an wrong equals true. Now let's make a while script. I will teach you about the while scripts they take. So while wrong, print hello world and then set run to false. Now it's supposed to run one single time because as you can see there is only one print. But if the run equals false, then the script stops and it will only show the hello one single time. As you can see, it says hello world. And also, you can actually call list, which is list of anything like text, numbers, decimals, or booleans that you want. For example, list equals, you have to do this. You have to do this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, you can also print list. As you can see, the list is printed. And if we try to sum lists up, if we try to sum a list up, then it will just duplicate the length of the list. And with the length of the list, it will add what is in the other list, which as you can see is also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anyways, that's all the uses for variables. Bye!